Hi, welcome to the morning show after party. It's La Chica Lupita. We're just gonna go in and check in on Jay. He's getting ready for the weather. He loves doing the whole weather thing, and he should be a weather guy, definitely. Jay? Oh my. What are you jamming to? What are you doing? I thought you were doing the weather.
I'm checking in with the tropical hurricane storm, Hermine, whatever.
Which one is it? Is he Mexican or is he what is that guy?
I don't know what he is.
That hurricane.
But he's
tropical.
a-coming. There's a hurricane a-coming, and we need everybody to be very aware about what's happening with our weather. So I was just kind of, getting motivated.
I see.
To start a long weather day today because we're gonna be, we're gonna be keeping our eye on the sky.
Yeah.
Rocking you like a hurricane.
Oh man.
Yes.
You always tend to find a soundtrack to everything you're doing.
Well,
I'm glad.
my life is a soundtrack, girl. My life is a soundtrack. Tomorrow, we have a great show tomorrow, 6 to 10 a.m. We're going to be giving you chances to win Ram tickets for the big game against Eagle Pass.
Oh yes.
So,
yes.
All right, and also tomorrow, kind of worried, girl.
Why?
I got a dentist appointment tomorrow.
What?
And I think they're going to have to maybe pull one of my teeth. So,
you've been crying about your tooth forever.
And it's finally time I've done something about it. Now, the dentist has already told me I needed to cut down on some of the sweets that I eat.
Well, what have you been eating? What kind of...
Well, he told me to, because...
You and your sweet tooth.
Well, there's the king size candy bars, right? You've seen those.
I've seen those.
You've seen king size.
Yes, I have.
And sometimes those just aren't enough for people like me.
So what are you eating?
So sometimes I have to just
Really?
buy my
What is he?
size.
King size?
I go to
J size? Is that what you're having? He's eating J size.
Let's take a look at my lifesavers. These.
Yeah, I think we have a problem here.
I say this is like something I typically would eat, for the afternoon.
Yeah.
Maybe a day or two, but usually it'll last me a couple of days.
And your teeth are fine, right?
They're fine.
Except one?
Except for that one that wussed out on me. Couldn't handle it. But, I don't see any change. I mean, this is a little bit bigger than king size.
Yeah, just a little bit, a little bit.
So, yeah, I mean, it's your typical thing. So.
So how's your diabetes?
You know what? This actually comes with a kit that lets you test the blood. I don't know what I did with it, but I know I have it somewhere here. So.
Yeah, I'm glad you can check your sugar at the same time you're eating your candy.
Definitely so.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we'll talk more about that on tomorrow's show. So, in the meantime, in between time, everybody be careful with this hurricane because there's a hurricane coming, and we want everybody to be safe. So, keep your ear on KTJK. We'll keep you updated on the hurricane. So, yeah, I gotta get back to getting myself prepped up for this hurricane. Okay?
Your jam session.
Yes.
Okay.
So, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Say bye, girl.
Bye, Jay.